Hi guys, we are very glad to present a final year project, efficient algorithm for mining high utility item sets from transactional database. This is done by Arun and Surendra. Here we go for abstract of the project. We use a genetic algorithm, it's combination of UP growth and UP growth plus for mining high utility item sets from transactional database. Next, the scope of the project. The main scope of this project is it avoids scanning the original database repeatedly as it saves our time. Next, we go for description of the project. The description of the project helps provides a friendly relationship between the provider and the customer so that the extraction can be done very easily. Hi guys, we are going to see the execution procedure for effective algorithm for mining high utility item sets from transactional database. High utility item sets are nothing but highly profitable items. We have used here NetBeans IDE 7.3 to execute our projects. We have created a project under their name as transactional database. So here we now execute a project. Click on projects. From transaction database, click on run. We can click on output so that we can view the execution of a project. We can see notification in Firefox as our output has been displayed. Now sign up for provider login. Type username, type your password. Kindly remember your password so that you can re-enter it. Type contact number followed by your address. Then click on button to register it. Now give username and your password. Then click on login. Now from the available item sets, count of the product, it is successfully updated. Now go to my menu and click on add items. Give the name of the item which you want to add, then the rate of the product, then profit of the product, followed by count of the product. Then give description about the product. Here we give it as printing machine. Then click on add product. It's successfully added. Then go to my menu, then sign out. Now give provider login and give your password. Give correct password. Check whether you have used any numbers or any capital letters. So give correct username and password. Then click on login button. Now check for registered customers. We can view the details followed by available items. The items are available here. Here the printer which I updated is also added. Then apply GA. In apply GA is nothing but we are going to check the duplication of an item. Then go to my menu. Click on view deduplication. We can see as mount and printer. Then go to view message box. We can see the mailbox. We can view all the messages. Then go for customer registration. Give a name. Give proper email ID. Followed by your password. While giving your password, remember it, you have used any numbers or capital letters. Then go to re-enter your password and click on card number. Card number, ensure that a perfect 19-digit number is given. Choose your security question. Then give your answer for the security question. Select your contact number. Choose a gender, then address, then your city, followed by your state, then type your PIN code. After typing your PIN code, click on create account. Your account has been registered successfully. Then give your mail ID, then type your password. Click on login button. Here, the home page for customers provider. Click on my account details. If you want to need any update, you can give us update. Then re-enter your password. Then click on update account. Successfully updated. Then click on my menu and go to message to admin. You can type a message to admin here. After typing your message, click on send button. Message has been sent to admin successfully. Now click on view original product. We can view the original product from my menu. Printer is been added. Then go to purchase. Click the count for purchase. Then mode of payment. Then the card number. Here, card password will be provided to you. It is automatic generation. After giving a card number, go to MySQL query browser. Under the customer, you can check your card password. We can see here the card password which is automatically provided. It is highly secure. Then copy your password, paste it there. Checking your details, click on pay. It has been purchased successfully. Now you can see us reducing the items. Then click on my menu, then click on sign out. Go to username and password in the provided login. Then click on find frequent items. We can view the frequent items. That is keyboard, wires. And the third one. We can view the details in it from NetBeans. Thus, by using genetic algorithm, we have seen the frequent items. Genetic algorithm here use combines of UP growth and UP growth plus. Then give a username and a password. Then click on login button. View my message box. We can view the details. You can reply to the message. Click on send button. Thanks. You can delete the message also. Then go to my menu and then sign out. Thank you for watching.